everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 4 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is so exciting. We are off to a great start. If you haven't already, please look at days 1 through 3. These are fantastic gifts this year. So here is what number 4 looks like. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Awesome. Okay, so first here's a little pattern. It says Bow Wow Meow Mug Rugs. Look how cute. We've got a little cat and we've got a little dog. All right, and we are going to be using those the charm pack from yesterday. Here are the fabric requirements, and they, let's see, what do they measure? I am not quite sure. Okay, so I actually have no idea what they measure. It doesn't tell me on the pattern. If I make this, I don't think I will, but if I do make this, I'll go ahead and let you guys know down below, or I'll just maybe I'll do the math from the pattern and let you know down below. But let me look at the templates here that were included with this bag. Look how adorable the cat is. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, 6" by 6". Okay, there you go. So let's see. It's a 6" by 6" little mug rug, because this is the finished dimension here. You can take this protective paper off the back of your acrylic ruler. I love this so much too, because you don't just have to use this for the mug rug. You can make one of those cute little sweatshirts that everybody's making. Have you seen those, where it's just like a plain simple sweatshirt and then you do a little patchwork of something, a tree, a snowman, a cat, and you put it here and sew it down on the chest. It is so cute. So I feel like this would be a great addition for those kinds of sweatshirts as well. Let me know what else you guys would use these for down below. I'm definitely curious to know. Okay, and here's the adorable little dog. So this one is also, oh no, this one is 6" by 9". Okay, just because the ears, it adds a little bit extra, I guess. So let me go ahead and take the paper off this one as well, so you can kind of get a better idea of what it looks like. Boy, this is tough to take off. All right, here's the dog. How cute is that? I'm actually curious why it has this little patch here for its eye. I wonder if you could do something with that as well. Maybe there's directions in the next bag or box as well. All right, let me know what you thought about this one down below. So far, like I said, we have gotten hit with the most amazing gifts, honestly. I love everything so far. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 5. Bye, everybody. Okay.
Stop, those are so cute.
Aren't they cute?
Wait, can I see them?
Here.
The bright.
Yeah, oh, that's Missouri Star. They always have bright acrylic rulers.